goes out from inside. Not because the reservoir cracks or something damaged, nothing. Just that thing every 150, if you're going 150, 200,000 miles, you have to replace the coolant reservoir. I already replaced 4 times. That's 4 times. They making that thing to replace 4 times. I replaced whale pan 4 times. That's how they make Kenworth makes money. And the crazy prices. High pressure pumps. See those pumps? Okay, those pumps. See up there. One right there. Replaced 5 times already. And behind right here there's a filter. Crankcase filter. Replaced 3 times already. AC twice. That's how they make money. $725,000 miles. 725? Yeah, 725. Twice the engine, three times transmission, 4 times the coolant reservoir, 3-4 times the oil pan, engine crankcase, and the high pressure they replace 4-5 times. All this 4 is the worst, and plus the EF system. Now I'm doing the first region.